The Blum 170-degree hinge is a great option if you need your doors to swing out more than the usual 110 degrees or 105 degrees, like in the case of Lazy Susans. This hinge can be used on face frame or frameless cabinets. However, it's important to note that this hinge has a maximum overlay of 3/4 of an inch, which is important for face frame cabinets. A half-inch overlay is common and will still look great even next to a full overlay door. For face frame cabinets, you need the face frame clip, and for frameless cabinets, you need the frameless clip. The details for ordering these clips will be in the description below. If you're not sure what overlay is, check out our overlay video in the corner. Here's how to figure your overlay. Looking at this chart, you plug in your overlay desired, and it will give you the clip size and the bore distance. The clip is what attaches to the cabinet wall or face frame. The bore distance is the measurement from the edge of the door to the bore hole. As you can see, these change based on your overlay. For example, if you want a 13mm overlay, which is half an inch, you would get a 3mm clip, either face frame or frameless, with a 5mm bore distance. To learn how to measure for a corner cabinet or Lazy Susan, you'll need to check out this video.